Okay, now we have finished the calculation for the long walls. Now we have finished the calculation for long walls. We need to finish the calculation for the short walls now. Okay, for short walls we need to take clear dimensions. Okay, for long walls we have already taken outer dimensions from see up to here we have calculated. Okay, for long wall you have already taken outer dimension. For short walls now we need to calculate. We need to take only the clear dimensions, means inner to inner dimension. Okay, that is the 90 centimeter is the length of the wall. That's it. Correct? Based on the principle of long wall short wall method. Short walls now. Short walls. First step and second step. Okay. Numbers is 2 again. 2 number of short walls. 2 number of short walls in first step as well as second step. Length will be clear dimension only. Okay, because outer dimension we have already taken in case of long walls. It will be 0.9 meter and 0.9 meter. Okay, this width of the wall and height of the wall, it will be same. Okay, it will be same 0.3 of whatever the value you have from the previous calculation. No, same values will come here. Correct? 0.3 meter and 0.6 meter, 0.2 meter and 1.15 meter. No need to calculate once again. Okay. So if you calculate the quantity, you will get 0.32 here. Okay, and 0.42 here. Okay, now we can calculate the total quantity. If you calculate the total quantity, you will get 2.78 cubic meter. You will get 2.78 cubic meter. Okay, check the answer, students. Check the answer. Any doubts here in this question, students? Please ask. Any doubts? Shall I move to the next question? Okay, I'll move to the next question. That is second class brickwork. Where we have the second class brickwork? Here we have the second class brickwork. Okay, in the soak pit. Okay, here we have the second class brickwork in the soak pit. It is clearly mentioned in the question. You can refer the question. Second class brickwork. Next question, fourth question. Second class brickwork in 1:6 cement mortar. Mortar in soak pit. Soak pit. Okay. See, in soak pit, I will just move to the diagram. Second class brickwork, you have second class brickwork at two heights. Okay, one is at 50 centimeter height and one below the, means at bottom of the soak pit we have one more layer of the second class brickwork with a depth of 0.2 meter. Okay, now we have to calculate the total volume of this brickwork, and you can see the circular in cross section. The second class brickwork is of circular in cross section. Now the question is how to calculate the volume. How to calculate the volume? How will you calculate the volume? How will you calculate the volume? See, if here you can see the soak pit is having circular cross section. Okay, and we know the height. Okay, now how to calculate this volume means, after certain heights we will have same cross section like this. Now what you need to do now to calculate the volume? You find the mean diameter. Okay, you find the mean diameter. Okay, if you come to know the mean diameter, you can find perimeter of the circle. Okay, perimeter multiplied by this thickness of the wall will give area of the wall multiplied by corresponding height will give total volume. Okay, I hope you are understanding. To calculate volume of this circular wall, no, we need to initially calculate the mean diameter Okay, knowing the mean diameter, you calculate the perimeter using the 2 pi r formula or pi d formula. Okay, perimeter means the total length of the circle. Perimeter multiplied by corresponding thickness will give area, multiplied by height of the wall will give volume. So the same principle will follow to calculate the volume of this second class brickwork. Okay, we have the two layers. One is up to 50 centimeter depth and one more layer up to 20 centimeter depth. Okay, that is upper portion and the lower portion. Okay, upper portion. First you calculate the mean diameter. Okay, mean dia is equal to, what is the mean diameter? From center to center dimension. Okay, clear dimension is 100. 1 meter plus 0.1 plus 0.1 either side. 1 plus 0.2 by 2 plus 0.2 by 2, if you do, you will get 1.2 meter as mean dia. Okay, mean dia. So here number is 1. Okay, number is 1. The length means nothing but perimeter. So pi into d, 2 pi r or pi d. If you do, you will get the total length of the brickwork. Okay, means length of the circle. Pi into 1.2. If you do, you will get some value. Write it. Whatever the value you get it, write it. And width and height of the wall is, width means thickness. Thickness is 0.2 meter. Height is 0.5 meter. Same thing I will write 0.2 meter and 0.5 meter. Similarly, for lower portion, you calculate. You do the calculation. Lower portion number is 1. Same. See, lower portion is having the same mean diameter. Okay, that is 1 meter plus 0.2 by 2 plus 0.2 by 2 on either side. So mean dia is equal to 1 plus 0.2 by 2 plus 0.2 by 2. Only height varies. That's it. 1.2 meter. So pi into d, pi d is equal to pi into 1.2. Okay, width is 0.2 meter, but the height is different. Height is how much? It is only 20 centimeter. That is 0.2 meter. 0.2 meter. So calculate the individual quantity of upper portion. That is 0.38 you will get. For lower portion you will get quantity of 0.15. The total quantity will be 0.53 cubic meter. All of you check the answer, students, please. So if you have any doubts in all these calculations, you can ask, students. If anything is not understood, please ask. Any clarifications if you require,